Hello, this is Manesh Patel with IMTF Trade. Today is August 15, 2021, and we are going to look at crypto. We've been getting a lot of requests to look at crypto on YouTube, so here we go. We're going to look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and the reason why is Ethereum is a lot more bullish than Bitcoin. It has been that way for a couple of months, and that's something that we've been always doing is that when we are trading bullish, we're trading with Ethereum, not with Bitcoin. And the signals are very clear with that on the charts, and you can see that on the actions. Second, we're going to use the VIMTF system, which is volatility based. Reason why crypto's got a lot of volatility in there, which is short-term big price movements that are occurring, and you want to use a volatility system for that. Reason why is a trend-based system really won't be adequate for this type of environment. So this is what we have now. This is the Ethereum on the weekly time frame, and this is our VIMTF indicator that we've developed, and it's available on TradingView. And you could see here what we're looking for is a purple bar here, which we have. Once we get that purple bar, that's a volatility buy setup right there, believe it or not. And what you do is you buy at that orange dot right there, and that's your target right there. So if you put the reward risk tool out there, this is what it looks like here. We're going to buy up here. We're going to use a stop for that initial bar right there when it enters, which is right there. And that's going to be our target coming up to here, which is basically the blue crosses right there. And you could see that's very close to a 3-to-1 reward risk ratio right there, which is kind of what we're looking for. And you could see last week, basically, it did enter here. And at the end of the bar, we were profitable, so we stayed in the trade. That's part of our money management. For the first bar that we enter, we want to be profitable, we stay in the trade. If we're not profitable, we exit out with a small loss. Second bar, we want to be more profitable than first bar. So if we do, then we stay in the trade. So this last week is when we entered. We closed out the week, the bar did, by closing above the entry, so we're profitable, so we stayed in the trade. And now this week is the last week here. We want this bar here to close out more profitable than where it did last week, which is right there. That means it's got to close above the closing price from last week. If so, at that point, we basically will change our stop to break even. And now we'll sit there and stay in this trade until we get to the blue crosses there, or until the shade disappears. But either way, once our stop is at break even, we got nothing to lose at all. And this is a 3-to-1 reward risk ratio. Since this is on a weekly time frame, this is long term. So this is a long-term play for Ethereum with volatility here with a 3-to-1 reward risk potential. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@eiicapital.com. Have a good day.